Sebastian has been asked to repaint the circular school logo on the gymnasium floor. The logo has a radius of 6 feet. Sebastian will need 1 quart of paint for every 22 square feet of logo. How many quarts of paint will Sebastian need to paint the entire logo? Alright, so let's first talk about what is the question really asking. It's asking for how many quarts of paint will Sebastian need to paint the entire logo. Problem is, we need to know whether this is an area or circumference question. The biggest hint here is this word right here, square feet. Whenever I see that, immediately I think of area. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to create a circle and find its area. So let's go ahead and create a circle that is represented in this problem. Okay, so this is my circle. Note that the question says it has a radius of 6 feet. I'm going to go ahead and give this circle a radius of 6 feet. So let's go ahead and give this a radius of 6 feet. Now, here's the thing. Whenever you create a circle and you want to find an area of it, you need to create this thing called a radius square. Again, it's just a square that we create from the radius. So I'm going to go ahead and create a radius square. Now, it's not the most artistic square. I'm sorry for that. But let this be our radius square. Okay. Because this is a square, all sides have to be the same. If all sides are the same, if this is 6 feet, this side also has to be 6 feet. And remember, we care about the area of the circle. If we want the area of the circle, we need to find the area of this radius square. Let's go ahead and find the area of this radius square. Well, remember, we need to follow length times width. So this is 6 times 6. If we do that, the area of this square is 36 square feet. Okay, this has an area of 36 square feet. However, we can't just have one of those squares. We need approximately 3 of those radius squares. And I'm doing a very sloppy job of drawing it, but let's try to make this 3 radius squares. So that's 2, and that's 3. All of these radius squares are the same. So if this is 36 square feet, this is also 36 square feet. And this one is also 36 square feet. To find the total area of the whole circle, we need to add this area plus this area plus this area. If we do that, let's see what we get. We get 36 plus 36 plus 36. The total area is approximately 108 square feet. That's the area of the circle approximately. In other words, it's not the exact answer, but it's a close answer. This is a close answer to the area of the circle. Problem is that answer is not a choice. Well, remember, the question asks how many quarts of paint will Sebastian need? And one piece of information we're given is that 1 quart of paint is for every 22 square feet. We need to divide the 108 by the 22 in order to figure out how many pints are needed. So let's go ahead and do that. 108 divided by 22. Okay, so it gives us 4.9090 and it goes on forever. Realistically, we can't have 4.9 cans of paint. That can be estimated to about 5. So we can get about 5 cans of paint. So that's about 5 cans of paint. Well, our closest answer is 6 quarts H. So this is going to be the answer we choose, and this is the correct answer.